314. Please stay seated with your seatbelt securely fastened and your carry-on items stowed until the captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign.
Driver from Portland, Delta Flight 451, your bags will be located on baggage claim 11. If you're arriving from Seattle, your bags will be located on baggage claim 12.
Welcome to JFK. I am currently on the AirTrain headed to Jamaca Station. The cost of this leg is $8. Once you arrive to Jamaca Station, make your way to the Long Island Railroad. You can see ticket booths near the terminal. Purchase the one-way to Penn Station. The cost of the train ride was $10, and I had a local help me select the correct ticket at the ticket terminal. There are many options, so be careful and ask questions from a local. The cost of the subway was $4. Once you make it to Penn Station, make your way to the subway and take train number 3 downtown. My final destination was Wall Street, where my local hotel was, and I will be right there. All right, guys, I made it to my hotel room. As you can see, what a beautiful place, huh? And look at the accommodations they hooked me up with. And this view I have of this room. Look at that, how cool. Yeah, so they upgraded my rate, which was kind of cool if you ask me. I got a agent rate here. So I thought I'd do a little spin for you. It's pretty slick, huh? I'm not complaining. It was absolutely just because I'm a travel agent. That's the only reason why I got this room. I expected 190 square foot room. And this is more like, I'd say close to 700. And let me tell you, in Manhattan, that's pretty rare. Yeah, so anyways, I'll leave a description down below. The way you use this, or let me rephrase that, how I got here was super cool. So I flew into JFK, which by the way is under construction, and it's expensive. So to get an Uber downtown here in Manhattan would have been $135 by myself. That's crazy. So I took the train to Penn Station from Jamaca Station. So I'll show you the footage here. And that was pretty cool. So I got down to Penn Station, and then I took the subway, which was the red 2 in the center, and I took it to Wall Street. And that cost me a total of, so this guy, he helped me buy my train ticket from Jamaca Station to Penn Station, and he got it for me for $5. So I don't know how he did it. So I gave him $1. So that they're helpful. Let me tell you, I don't normally trust people, but he was saying he was helping everybody, and everybody was like, "Okay, thank you." So I fell for it. So it wasn't a scam. So I gave him $1 for saving me. I figured he saved me $5. So pretty cool. Anyway. Took the train. I had plenty of room for my luggage. Now, it was rush hour on a Friday when I got here, so not bad. I'm not complaining. And then, though, I will say, when you get to Wall Street, when you take from Penn Station to Wall Street, the subway, there is no elevator. So the elevator was... Yeah. All right. So the elevator was non-existent at Wall Street. So it was the stop before that or go to Brooklyn. So I didn't take that. I had to carry my 48-pound bag up the stairs. It wasn't that big a deal, but if you're following what I do, then I'd highly recommend getting off at the station prior and take an Uber to this hotel. It's just an option. I'm throwing it out there because who wants to carry their luggage up the stairs? It was pretty heavy, okay? I'm not gonna lie. All right, and so then tonight I'm gonna stay here at this beautiful hotel. And yeah, and then I'm gonna get up early and I'm gonna take the ferry over to Brooklyn. And it stops right at the ship, which is really cool because the ship is literally at the ferry station, and of course that's going to make it super easy, a whole lot better than the time when Nathan and I went down to Brooklyn. Let me tell you, that traffic was a nightmare. We thought we had it all figured out, but I had learned over my travels, this is the way to get to Brooklyn. So if you want a good adventure and know that it works, follow along. All right, guys, I'm gonna go get some dinner. It's dinner time. It's 6 o'clock. All right, we'll see you guys in a bit. Bye-bye. All right, guys, so I'm back from finding some dinner, and I'm gonna say that I found this really cool taco truck, and it was because of Google Maps, and the way they work down here is super cool. Oh my gosh, I found it in like two blocks down the road, and man, I don't know if it'll ever be here again. You never know with those food trucks. They go to their hot spot, and then yeah, he was ready, and they were delicious. Oh my gosh, they were delicious. Here, that's the taco place right here. Excellent job, excellent food. Absolutely perfect. I figured I was going to go have some amazing food all week long on Princess Cruise Lines. So just made it super easy, just chill, just before the day before we go. No stress. That's what I call this. No stress day. Hey, so check it out. My hotel TV. Oh, yeah, it doesn't work. I don't know. I'm so tired. I'm going to go to bed anyways. I don't really care. I just thought I would watch some football, but I forgot. It's probably on another half an hour from now, so I don't know if I'll make it too much longer. I am on East Coast time, but coming from the West Coast. But I got up this morning at 2:30, I think, or 3. So I could be at the airport and get a couple odds and ends done before I left. And that's why it's a little longer than normal. But everything's fine. No problems at all. Absolutely enjoying every minute here. Anyways, I did check out where the pier is to catch out our ferry tomorrow. And it's literally right around the block. So I got right there, no issues whatsoever. To me, that's super cool because I didn't want to have to take an Uber or anything while I was here, this is the first time in New York where I've come to New York City and I've done all public transportation. And that was my goal, to just be able to do it as somebody that doesn't live here. I've been here, let me see here, now this will be my 4th time in New York. Every time I get a little bit more adventurous and do more with public transportation now. The most I've ever done was with Nathan when I went on MSC Cruises, and I'll put a link right here, or wait, no. Yeah, right there, or here, one of those corners of that adventure. And episode 2, it shows all of the transportation that we took to get to the same pier. This time, it should be a whole lot easier. And yeah, I can't wait to share that experience with you. Now, at the end of this video, which is going to be just a few minutes today, because I like to do intros with Princess Day 1 and then the Cruise Line Day 1. Those are always important to do. So check out that video. It is coming up next. It won't be today, but tomorrow I'll be filming and I'll be boarding and I'll be bringing y'all along. You got to check it out. I cannot wait. And it is cruise time. Yes, I am going solo. This is an event for travel agents. So I went on one on the Majestic Princess a few years back. And that was when I first started becoming a travel agent. And yeah, so it's kind of exciting. I can't wait to go see what that's all about. And let's see what else is going on in this trip. Oh, is there another trip after this trip? Yeah, there is. Yeah, I am going to fly down to Florida right after this cruise, and of course I'll bring you guys along. I'm not going to say where I'm going until after I get off this ship. So I might, if you watch this next series, I might slip it a couple times. Who knows? All right, guys. Hey, thank you all for watching. We will see you guys very soon. I can't wait. I'm excited. Yes, I can't wait. Oh my gosh. All right. Till then. Bye-bye. The next morning, I walked 2 blocks to the Wall Street Ferry Pier, number 11. It only took about 20 minutes with one stop at the Brooklyn Bridge Park, and then it headed to Red Hook Pier, number 12, which dropped me right off in front of the cruise ship. I had no hassles. It was a stress-free way to get to Brooklyn without a huge traffic jam and huge expenses. It cost me $22 to get to the cruise ship. I hope you enjoyed this series. If you liked it, please follow and subscribe. We'll see you soon.